Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here are Hagon shocks. These particular shocks, Rocket 3. Shelf and the thickness of the springs, decent quality. Okay, made by Hagon Nitro shocks. These particular shocks are gas charged, proper CNC. Okay, as you can see, properly machined, not just cheap steel things. Okay, beautifully made, all rebuildable here. You can do all the seals, etc. Bump stop ensures not too much travel. Okay, so he's got a 10mm limiter, but you know, you can, depends on how low you're going over the stock height. If you're going an inch lower like this, you obviously need a bumper that will allow so the mudguard doesn't hit anything, or in the case of Rocket, I believe it's the airbox, something like that. Not the airbox, it'll be the battery box. But very well made, UK. As you can see, very, very high quality. Hagon shocks, very good. We can tune them for your different weights. These are 35 kilo springs. You can have up to 40 if you've got chairs or big people, or obviously lighter if you wind up. If you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Also available in black, obviously. Thank you.